Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install a Fabric 1.20 or plus mod on Minecraft. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Fabric 1.20 download, and then you need to select the website that is called fabricmc.net, and then on this window you need to press download, and then press download for Windows here and save the file to your computer. So I already saved that. It will be like this. So you need to then click on it. Then you will see this window here. Make sure that you're on the client version here, and then on Minecraft version, select the latest one. For me currently is 1.20.1, and then make sure that create profile is selected here as well. And after you do so, then you should get this window here that you need to get Fabric API. So what you need to do here is to press on this hyperlink here, and then you will see this window. Then you need to press download, and then as you can see here, Fabric API will start downloading in a few seconds. And as you can see here, now it's just downloaded. And once you do that, once the Fabric API is downloaded, then you can close this window here, then press Windows or an R key, or simply you just need to on search write run, and then you need to write %sign appdata %sign, press OK. Then here on this window here, you need to look for .minecraft, and then on the .minecraft you need to look for mods folder. And if you don't have a mods folder here, you just create new folder here, give it the name mods, and then just put it here, right? And then here, what you need to do here, you need to just drag Fabric API that you just downloaded. So it will be on downloads, Fabric API, and just drag it here. So I already did that, so I will not do that, but for you, you need to drag it to the mods folder on .minecraft folder, right? And after that, then you need to open up Minecraft launcher. We need to wait for a few seconds until the launcher loads up, and after that I will show you other steps that you need to do here. As you can see here, then you need to go to installations here, and Fabric Loader will be here. So you need to press edit here, and then more options here, and you need to just increase RAMs, because on default it will use only 2 GB of RAMs. And if you want to know how many RAMs you can use on Minecraft launcher, you just need to open up Task Manager, and then here you need to look for this little option here, and then you will see how many RAMs do you have on your computer. So I have 16 gigabytes, so I can happily use 8 here, for example. And then what you need to do here is to save, and then you can just basically run it, right? Instant. And as you can see here, it's preparing. And we can close this one as well. As you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds until the game loads up. And as you can see here, the game is fully running. And as you can see, there is Fabric mod installed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.